Hello, I'm Melissa with Mix and Some Magic, and I am here in Orlando to do Disney World, Universal, all of the fun things that come along with being in Orlando. But instead of staying on property at Disney World, I am staying in this amazing rental house. And it really has changed the way I vacation, that I do Disney parks. We're going to talk all about it because I have some really great things that I want to share with you about why maybe you don't want to be staying on property, how maybe you can have a better vacation if you're not. But first, I want to show you this property because it's so perfect, so amazing. It's been great for our family. I'm going to walk you through and show you everything. Let's get going. Right when you walk in the door, you can see they have amazing, fun artwork. They have an orange theme here. So the rental property is called Squeeze the Day. Really cute. And they've leaned into this orange theme. So right here when you walk in, they have this little bookshelf and they have some books. But I thought this was such a fun idea. You can borrow a pair of mini ears, you can trade a pair, or you can even purchase a pair of mini ears, but you can just grab a pair right off here, whatever will match your outfit, and head to the parks. So there's a ton of little Disney touches that make this place even better. It takes it over the top. So let me start with the downstairs. So they have a bedroom down here that's a queen, but it's not just any bedroom. Can you figure out the theme before I tell you? So right here, we have this up down button up here. Looks like an elevator. Do you know what this theme is? Do you? Look. It's the Hollywood Tower Hotel. This room is the Hollywood Tower Hotel themed room. And it's just perfection. Look how beautiful it is. So that's a queen bed. And it just has some little touches. That wallpaper is amazing. Look, they have a bell right here that says the Hollywood Tower Hotel. They've got a little monogrammed pillow here. But it's amazing. Super comfy beds. That chandelier is perfection. And then look. They've got the artwork on the wall, the Hollywood Studios Hotel. Now, each of these bedrooms has a TV, which is great. And right off of this bedroom, then there is a bathroom. We've got the walk-in shower. There are so many towels here that are provided. They also provide you with shampoo, conditioner, and body wash, which I love when you don't have to bring those extra things along. Okay, let's keep going. So here is the Squeeze the Day sign, which I think is so cute. And we're heading into the kitchen and living area. Now, this kitchen is amazing and fully stocked with anything you could need. They have all the dishes. They have all the utensils. They, of course, have the coffee station. They've got an amazing stove. They have some spices, things that you might need. They have a Mickey Mouse waffle maker that we will definitely be using. And they have an air fryer. So great. They have a full fridge, which we have already stocked, and a pantry, which we have already stocked as well. So there's just everything you could need in this kitchen. And look at the color scheme. This orange is just so Florida. It's so bright. It's so fun. It's perfect. Okay, let's keep going. There's so much to show you still. Look at these chairs. And that wallpaper behind the TV is so great. They do have a couple of games and puzzles. Right out here is the pool area. We'll get there. They have a whole little bar area, so you can sit at these bar stools. And then they have the dining area with this big greetings from Florida sign back there. And they have such cute dishes. Look at this little table placemat. It's amazing. Okay, let's head out to the pool. I'm going to show you this great pool area. So there is a pool fence, which is important. And there's a seating area right out here. And something I love is there is a bathroom right here next to the pool. There's a little half bath so that you don't have to go running all the way inside if you need to use the restroom while you are swimming. So they have some nice patio furniture out here. There's this amazing Blackstone grill, which we are actually going to be using tonight. I am excited about. I'm also planning on hitting the pool this afternoon. I'm going to be in my swimsuit, hanging out there. I can't wait. They've got a fun Connect 4 game over in the corner, and they have this great TV right here. We actually have already used it this morning. My husband was in the pool. He turned on some music and just hung out. So this is great. We're going to spend a lot of time here in this awesome pool. Let's head back in because we still have the whole upstairs that I want to show you. There's so much in this house. Oh, look at that awesome chandelier. I just see new details every single time I walk through a room. One thing I thought was really great is they've labeled all of the light switches, which thank goodness, because you just don't know which light you're trying to turn on, and they have taken out the guesswork and labeled all the light switches. So upstairs we have this loft that is the game room, and this is where my kids have been ever since we got here, is in this fun game room. So there's the foosball table, there's a comfy couch, some little beanbag chairs. Look at this fun artwork. And one thing I didn't even notice till late, like earlier this afternoon, was this game over sign. How fun is that? Okay, so they have this whole game console. I don't know what any of this is, but my teenagers have been having a blast with it. They know what it is. They have it all figured out. So there is also a laundry closet right here. Got the washer and the dryer, and there's pool towels. Thank goodness, because that's another thing you do not want to pack is pool towels. Okay, we're going to keep going. There's so much to show you up here still. There's those labeled light switches. Seriously, I'm so thankful. All right, in here is It's a Small World themed room. Of course, there's the TV, and then there's this cute artwork on the wall. They have the bed and cute little details. Room for all. So sweet. Now all the rooms have closets. There's just tons of storage space. There's a dresser inside the closet, and then there's a nightstand. It's great. And next door is the Jungle Cruise room. This one's so cute. Look at that elephant and the lion and these lamps. Oh my gosh. This is so cute. Please do not feed the animals. Kilimanjaro Safari. And then just the details. Like, look at the blankets on the end of the bed. They're the animal print. We've got the rug down here. Over here, we've got a safari hat hanging up. And then, of course, the dresser. There's a little wooden elephant. This is so cute. I'm just obsessed. Okay, we have a bathroom right here. This is just our Disney Mickey and Minnie themed bathroom. Got double sinks, and then there's a shower tub combo in there. That's awesome. And then we have the master suite and another bedroom with a queen bed. So let's do this room first. This room may be my favorite because it's Epcot themed, and Epcot is my favorite park right now. So right here, they have a bunch of songs from Guardians of the Galaxy on these cassette tapes, which incidentally, this one is my favorite when I go on the Guardians of the Galaxy Cosmic Rewind. Everybody Wants to Rule the World. That's my favorite one. But look at this. Look at that bed with the spaceship Earth behind it, and there's lighting behind there. Oh, it's so cool. Very, very fun. And there's the TV there as well. There's another bathroom that is attached to this queen room. So that's really nice to have an attached bath with a walk-in shower. But look at this. Look at this artwork. People of Epcot, Epcoters, Epcotians, citizens of Epcot, Epcot Terrans. If you know what that is, then you've been on Cosmic Rewind. It just made me chuckle. Love that so much. Okay, here's the master suite. So this is a king-sized bed. It's just beautiful. This is a retreat. It's just so nice. This is a place you just want to come and spend time and relax. Got our chairs, says be our guest. Beautiful artwork. That pop of pink on those pillows is so, so great. Then back in here, there's a master bathroom with double sinks. There's a huge closet in here, big walk-in closet with the dresser, and then there is a walk-in shower here as well. So there is so much to love about this property, but let's go find a cozy spot and let's talk about other great things about this property and why maybe you don't want to stay on property. Maybe staying off property somewhere like this is a great option for you. Before I share with you why I love staying off property, because there's a whole list of reasons, I want to take you over to the Clubhouse, because there's a Clubhouse that you get to use when you stay at this property that has amazing pools and it has like a gym and all kinds of fun things that are included. So let's go see the Clubhouse. Then I'll tell you all of the reasons that I prefer to stay off property and my family does too. All right, I'm already loving this whole Clubhouse area with the pool. They have a hot tub, they have a lazy river. Let's go check it out. I think there's a gym here too, which, I mean, we should see it. Let's go see it. I wouldn't be using it, but my husband probably would. So let's go check out the gym too, and then we'll show you the whole lazy river pool situation behind me because it's pretty fun. Giant pool. It's just huge, and then over here they have a little cafe where you can order food and drinks to eat poolside. There's lots of seating and cabanas you can rent. There is a beautiful pool area that's so big, and it has such a fun little water slide over here that I want to show you. Beautiful waterfall, and then this fun water slide. Your kids will love it. Check out this lazy river. So they have tubes right over here that you can grab, and then you can just float. I love a lazy river. They're just so fun and relaxing. I think I need to go grab a tube and float the lazy river. I love this. Here's the gym. Looks pretty nice. Got a lot of good stuff in here. There's a fun playground for your little ones. And there is a sand volleyball court too. I decided we should lounge by the pool while we talk about what I love about staying off property. First thing I love about staying off property is the amount of space you get. I mean, you saw the house. Our whole family can spread out and really enjoy ourselves. There is something that is so stressful to me about being squished into a little hotel room with my whole family. And maybe that sounds bad because we're supposed to love spending time together, and we do, but there's something stressful about it at the same time. When you have one bathroom and everybody's trying to share, and dad's snoring at night, and the people are getting up early and other people want to sleep in, and there's never enough storage in hotel rooms, so inevitably our clothes are everywhere, and it's just a little stressful to me, but sometimes that's what you have to do. But when I can rent a house and spread out, it feels like a vacation. Now, everybody talks about the Disney bubble and how they love the Disney bubble, and it's great. The Disney bubble's great, but I find the Disney bubble to be a little stressful. Now, first off, if you don't know what the Disney bubble is, that just basically means that you're on Disney property, you're staying on Disney property, you take Disney transportation to the parks, you're always eating on property. I mean, most of the resorts on property have like little cafeterias or different places that you can dine, and they're great. They're great. I've done it many times and I always enjoy myself, but there is something stressful to me about being on Disney property 24/7 because I am an introvert. All of my family are introverts. And after spending a full day at the parks with all of the people and all of the lines and all of the noise, we kind of like to have a quiet retreat. So if we're staying on property and then we take the crowded, crazy bus back to our hotel, and then if we want to go to the pool, it's crowded and crazy and loud, or if we go eat on property at any of the dining locations or the cafeteria there, then it's also crowded and loud and there's lines and it's just people, 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 people. And so I love renting a house. We can drive ourselves back to the house and we can just hang out and relax. We can make our own meals if we want to. We can hang out in our own pool area and we can just be better. We can just be, is what I'm trying to say, and relax, which makes this vacation feel like an actual vacation, because I've been on many Disney and Universal trips where we're just go, go, go. We're crowded into one hotel room and we're always on the go and around tons of people, and it's a little stressful. And then we get home and we're like, oh my gosh, that was so fun. We had the best time, but man, are we stinking tired. And it doesn't feel like we relaxed. It's like we need a vacation from our vacation. But I don't feel like that when we rent a house and stay off property, because I always make sure that we schedule some rest days where we can just enjoy where we're staying. And that's what's happening today. We're not going to Disneyland or Disney World. We're not going to Universal. We're just hanging out here at the house. My kids are playing in the game room. They're having the best time. We ran to the grocery store and we got some stuff to make lunch and dinner here at the house. We're going to play games. We're going to swim. We're going to watch movies. We're just going to hang out all day. It feels like an actual vacation. And then we'll go to the parks later this week, and then we're going to have some more rest days. So that's what I love about staying off property, is you feel like you have an actual vacation instead of a crazy, stressful vacation. So this house has been amazing. We're definitely going to come back and stay here. It's about 20 minutes from Disney World, about 30 minutes from Universal. It's perfect. It's got everything we need. They have been so thoughtful about this house and how they set it up and how to make their guests feel comfortable, and so they have everything they need. So this has been amazing. I think you should check them out. I think you should come stay at Squeeze the Day. I'm going to leave the info down below so you can check that out. This has been great. What a great property. I think you might want to consider not staying on Disney World next time you come to Florida and coming to stay here instead. It's been amazing. Thanks so much for watching. We'll talk soon.